Hi, do you want to protect your WhatsApp from being hacked? Let me show you how. So you have to open WhatsApp, then you go to accounts, and then you go to two-step verification, and then you enable. So you have to write the code here, and you have to be very careful so that you don't forget your code, because if you forget your code, you will be asked to reset it with email, or in case you don't set your email, then you need to remember this code. So let's say for easy stuff I just say 123, and then I just save it again with 123 and 123, and then it will ask me for an email. So let's say, because I copied just as a test email, we can say next, and then we also say with this email as next, and then it will save the account, right? So I'm not gonna do this because this email is not mine, but if I do done, then it will save the email and the code. And if next time someone tried to install WhatsApp in their mobile and try to add my number, in case they can access my mobile, they will still not be able to get my WhatsApp, because they need to have this email, or they need to have the code. So in this way you can save your mobile or your WhatsApp. Hope this video helps. For more tips, follow me.